Today we are discussing about the hot work. What is hot work and where we are using the hot work and what are the precautions we should take before you are starting the hot work. So before going to start the video, if you like my video, please subscribe and share. What is hot work? Hot work is any work that involves burning, welding, cutting, brazing, soldering, grinding, using fire or spark production tools, that is producing tools, or other work that produce a source of ignition. Welding and cutting operations are common to drilling and servicing operations. Here in this they are mentioning welding. In welding we are sometimes we are cutting the component and sometimes we are making joints. So at that time also we are using hot work permit. So some of the works we should use permit, otherwise we cannot start the operation. So these are the operations, they are hot work. They are the these are the operations. Okay viewers, see here, this is what the operation is performing by a welder. What are the hazards those are involved in this operation, and what are the safety measures should be taken for performing the operation. So what are the hazards here in welding operation is electricity is one of the hazard. Hot weather, hot temperature is another hazard, and heat is one of the hazard. This how we will overcome these hazards. So when we are starting the operation, we should know what are the hazards they are in the operation. So here how we can avoid this hazards means by using proper PPE. What is PPE means? Personal protective equipment. So compared to all the employees, welder having a additional PPE like gloves are different, and face mask is also a different. That is they are using goggles, and also apron is different, and the some of the additionally they are using, and also they are using fire blanket and fire extinguisher, and also one fire watcher. These are the mandatory things to before they are starting the cutting operation or maybe welding operation. If any one of the element or maybe any one of the thing is not fulfilled, then the operation at any time may have a chance of problem. And these are the some of the safety measures we have to take before starting the operation. So this is what the welding operation. Next operation you see grinding operation. Grinding operation is also making a hot work. It will come under hot work because we are cutting it with the help of heat. One small wheel will be available. With the help of that wheel we will cut the whatever the required iron part. So for that reason we should take safety precautions before start the operation. Unless until we did not take the safety precautions, we should have to stop the operation until we have to take the full PPE. So here also you see this operation performed by the operator. He should wear the apron, safety coverall, and here mostly here in grinding operation coming fumes, those hot gases will come outside, then they will go to our nose, and they will directly go to our breathing system also. To avoid that one, we have to use a one small nose mask, and also use a safeguard like a one face shield also should be, because any hot particles will fly and they will come and strike our eyes, because very important component for the important um, organs are the eyes. Not only eyes, whatever may be the uh, organs. So we should take utmost care before we are starting the operation. Once we started the operation, we are not taking care, then after there may be a chance of incident and cause any severe damage that no one will fulfill it. So before we are starting the operation, we should know what are the hazards they are in the operation. And this is what the grinding operation, mostly we are using this grinding operation for finishing, or maybe removing the edges, or maybe cutting also. And final one is the fuel transferring is also come under the hot work. So why we consider this fuel transferring is also hot work means, so in this fuel transferring there is a concept is called static electricity. Whenever the we are using transferring the diesel from the tanker to the this static tank, storage tank, so at that time the movement of the diesel have a chance of electricity. So to avoid that one, we using a earthing cable. We will earth the what is the storage tank to the earth with the help of cables, and we will remove the what is the hazard which is inside the transferring of the fuel. It is a uh, intangible hazard, that means we cannot find it until unless there is a explosion or maybe any spark which is produced in these operations. To avoid that one, we should have to do the earthing. If we are not doing a good earthing for this fuel transferring, again there is a big problem. So and always place the signboards where we have to park the vehicle, and no smoking zone near to this fuel transferring area. So these are the some of the precautions we should have to take before we transferring the fuel, maybe filling that fuel to the vehicles, or maybe filling the fuel to the storage tank. So we should have to take care at most priority. And this is what the hot work. So before we are going to do the hot work, we should know what are the hazards that are inside the hot work. And if the operation needs permit, we should have to take the permit also. If some operations may not require permit, after we are starting that, there may be a chance of any simultaneous operation, maybe SIMOPS will come and another operations also start. At that time we should stop the operation and inform them. After we finishing the job, you can start like that. If you are neglecting that like that, and if you are continuing with the other people like simultaneously your operation, then maybe have a chance of again a big explosion. So hot work is a very very important thing. Before we are starting the hot work, we should know is it the operation is safe or not. Okay viewers, if you like my video, please subscribe and share. Thank you.